Yalis TF3800 TF300L series shrinking and forming machine has three parts. The first part is steaming and pre-wetting area. The second is drying and forming area. And the third is cooling area. It adopts one-stop design to achieve the best results, that the fabric can be processed without tension. The difference between TF3800 and TF3800L is listed as follows. The single segment in the steaming and pre-wetting part of TF3800 is relatively short, and it is also short in vibrating, drying, and cooling. As for TF3800L, the single segment in the steaming and pre-wetting part is lengthened, and it is also lengthened in vibrating, drying, and cooling, which can be used for all kinds of fabrics. The auto-electric eye switch designed for the shelf used to put on the fabric in the first part of TF3800. 3800L is to make sure the fabric can be processed without tension. The steaming and pre-wetting area adopts the structure of spraying from the bottom and drying from the above. Meanwhile, the quantity of steaming can be adjusted from 0 to 5 with 3 to 4 for reference in accordance with the requirements of different fabrics to achieve the best results of pre-wetting for the fabric. The drying and forming area adopts the integrated system with steam heating and thermal cycle wind to guarantee the fabric to be dried and formed at a constant temperature. And the exhaling and inhaling recirculating air system given by the 4 exhaust motors in the cooling area is to make sure the fabric to cool down and be formed within a short time. Also, this area is equipped with a device for counting meters to automatically measure the exact length of fabric after forming. This machine can be used for different kinds of fabrics, including knitting, weaving, denim, chemical fiber, and cotton. Step 1. Turn on the power. Step 2. Adjust the speed of the conveyor belt. The range that can be adjusted is from 0 to 10 meters. Step 3. Set the temperature to 150 degrees. Step 4. Manually turn on the drain valve. It normally takes 3 to 5 minutes before manually turning off the switch. Step 5. When the temperature reaches the target, turn on the cooling switch and the switch of thermal cycle wind. Then open the steaming valve in the first part, which is normally set to 3 to 4. Turn on the exhaust switch, which can be set from 0 to 10. And the speed should be set to 3 in a normal mode. Turn on the speed of delivering fabric, which can be set from 0 to 10 and should be set to 10 normally. Step 6. Start to put the fabric on the machine. Turn on the switch control by to automatically put the fabric on the machine. Step 7. Turn on the cooling switch before leave, and the machine will be turned off automatically after a while. Step 8. Please press the emergency stop button to cut the electricity when emergency situation occurs or if some items, which should not be shrunk, run into the machine. Step 9. Clockwise spin the emergency stop button and the power will be automatically popped up. Thus the power can be turned on again.